If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this piece of faux leather, vinyl, and beautiful picture frame into this lovely rhinestone embellished frame, really cool artwork, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be using a piece of faux leather inspired LV fabric, and I'm going to be using this cutout that I use with my silhouette cameo, and it's the color gold, and I have this lovely gold edge frame, and it has like a mirror look to it. It's so pretty. I got it from a grocery store that has a closeout section. So I opened it up, and I'm going to go ahead and slide everything off, take everything apart, so I can go ahead and place the fabric inside. So the fabric is about a 9 by 12 size, and the frame is, I think, 8.5 by 11. So I'll need to go ahead and just cut out the difference. So I'm going to use this little sheet of paper that came with the frame so I can get an accurate cut, because I want everything to be straight and not crooked. This is something that's extremely simple, and I do have the luxury inspired fabric if you like some. It's on my website, myroyalradiance.com, and you see I'm just taking a pencil, just making a little mark here, and then I made a little mark at the other side, right there and right there. And I'm just going to take my nice sharp scissors and just cut along the invisible line to make sure that I have this nice and straight. And if you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you do get the 4th sheet free of charge, but it's a random sheet that I just add to your order. And it's random, but the fabric is very pretty, and I always choose one that's, you know, pretty cute, but it does depend on availability. So we have our fabric face down inside of the picture frame. And if I didn't say it, this frame was $4, but it was like really pretty. Looks like it would cost a lot more than that. But of course, you can go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some cute frames from there. So I'm just going to slide this in, make sure everything is nice and tight. And if you look at it just the way it is, it's already cute. Like, look at that gold and that embossed gold on that fabric. So now I'm going to go ahead and add on this decal that I cut out. And it's almost about, let's see, maybe it's 7 by 6 or 6 by 7 inches. So you want to just go ahead and smooth that right on. I use like an old gift card, smooth that on. Try my best to get the little air pockets out, but if you get little air bubbles in your decal, do not worry. Look at this. You don't want this to happen. I forgot to alcohol the glass off, so make sure you do not skip that step. See, look at the difference. Now it's sticking to the glass, but if you do not alcohol this off and make sure it's clean and free of dust, oil, or whatever may be on your hands or on the frame from just sitting on the shelf, your decal will not stick. So we have that pulled off. And if you're not into all the rhinestones and everything, don't add them. I'm going to take some B7000, some 4mm gold-plated rhinestones. I have rhinestones on my website as well. And this wax pickup tool that's available on my website also. And I'm going to go ahead and just start to add rhinestones on top of this decal. This is very simple, but it does take some time. But I just go ahead and I just add a little bit of glue, and I just take my time and I just add on the rhinestones and try to make sure the line is straight across. You can do this if you want to. If not, like I said, it looks very cute without the rhinestones on it already. This is just to spruce it up even more and add a little extra razzle dazzle. Now, if I had to say how long this DIY took, if you already have everything cut out that you need, this literally could take about no less than 15 minutes, no more than 15 minutes. But if you're going to add the rhinestones, I'll say probably maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours. It depends. I did kind of walk away and do some other things, so it took me 2 days. Not that it takes 2 days to do this, but I stopped and did some other things. So it's coming along really cute, and I'm like really digging this. This would be such a great piece of decor to add to your home if you had like a missing piece and it's just something that you could not find in the store or online, and you're like, no, it's something that I could do. you can definitely do this. Or if you were invited to a housewarming and you just kind of looked at their decor and their colors, like, okay, this person likes Louis Vuitton, they like Gucci, they like Dior, or whatever their brand is or whatever, and then just kind of place the colors into it, get some vinyl, cut it out, add the rhinestones. There's so many different ways that you can do this DIY. And then also, I'm going to show you at the end of the video the final look, but also I'm going to show you another one that I did some months ago. Well, I guess like maybe last summer I did it, and I did it with a Gucci fabric, and I didn't add rhinestones, and it's just as cute. But I'm almost done with this, and somewhere in here I did also use some 3mm, and I used a little bit of 5mm gold rhinestones as well, just to kind of make everything fit. You don't have to use different sizes. Sometimes I like the different variations of this, but you can definitely put your own twist on it, and I'm almost finished, you guys. Now, I know a lot of you ask me sometimes, because you all are so creative and you all like have, I guess, side hustles that you do or pop-up shows. This would be something to add up to your pop-up table. And I know you all like to ask me how much I'll charge for certain things. I don't do things for people like, I do little bits of things like for my channel, but I don't just have it to where I do blinged out things for people, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm not even sure how much. I got to think about it. I'll tell you in the next couple clips how much something like this should be charged for. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this 8 by 10 or 8.5 by 11 frame artwork. This is so pretty. So it's basically something that you can do with just a regular old picture frame, some fabric. Even if you do not have fabric that has like, you know, the luxury logos, you can use any fabric that you want. From Joann Fabrics, Michaels, Hobby Lobby. Just picture this. What if you went and bought some sequins? I'm gonna have to try this myself. What if you bought some sequins and you were, maybe you're an event planner and you put table number 5, or you put Mr. and Mrs. Smith for an anniversary part. There are so many different things that you can do with this. Let me show you another one that I did last year with this Gucci floral print. Look at this one. This came out really cute as well, and this is an 8.5 by 11 frame also. This one came from the Dollar Tree, so this was $1.25. I just used some fabric that I had, and I just put Life is Gucci, and then I made the lime green Gucci logo. I just copied it, put it into my program, and cut it out with my silhouette cameo. You can do something similar also if you have a Cricut cutter also. Now, for something like this, I don't know, because this is not something that you can just, it's something simple, but if you don't know how to do it, or if you've seen someone else do it before, I don't know. For something like this, I don't know. I'm so bad with pricing. I am. That's why a lot of things that I used to do, I had to cut it out because the pricing wasn't right, and I just kind of had to get away from doing certain things. $40 for this, maybe, I'm thinking. Maybe $50. The one with the rhinestones, I would say at least $65, because this one is more time consuming. I would say anywhere between $65, $55, $65. It really depends. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Would you do something like this as a gift? Would you make it for your home? I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Share it on Facebook, and subscribe if you want to. And if you do decide that you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.